Hi everyone, how have you been? Foremost, allow me to congratulate you for completing your first semester under the new normal. For those who don't know me yet, allow me also to introduce myself. I am Miss Maria Teresa Diaz Ihaya. I'm a grade 12 advisor of Section BPH MAR under the STEM strand. I'll also be handling trends, networks, and critical thinking skills in the 21st century. Now, before we proceed in discussing the contents of your modules, I'd like first to discuss a few things that I want you guys to remember while using your modules and during our virtual class discussion. Now, first, I'd like you guys to remember to use the modules with care. Please do not put unnecessary marks on any parts of your modules and write your answers on the given space. If it's not enough, you are allowed to provide a separate sheet of paper. Next, read the instructions carefully before doing each task. Now, this is actually coming from a personal experience. I actually written, or wrote rather, um, in the instructions that I want you guys to use letters from A to J to properly arrange the sequence of the story. And then here comes my student, yung ginamit niya numbers. So see, that's not following instructions. And when you do not follow instructions, we will not be able to give proper credit for your works. And we do not want that to happen. So please do read first, read carefully the instructions given before you decide to proceed on doing your task or completing your task. Next, during virtual meetings, always turn off your microphone. Turn it on only when you have important concerns. Yes, para maiwasan natin yung overlapping of voices and we can understand each other, please do turn off your microphones. If you do have urgent concerns that needs immediate response, you are allowed to call my attention. And when you do, I'd like you guys to remember that before you proceed in addressing your concerns, I'd like you first to state your names. Example, excuse me, miss, good morning. This is Janeline Mercado and this is my concern, blah, blah, blah. Like that. Next, observe honesty and integrity in doing the task and checking your answers. Yes, please. I want you guys to remember that we do not actually require you to have perfect scores. We want you guys to answer your modules as honestly as you possibly can so that we will be able to identify which topics you're having a hard time understanding and which one is the easiest for you. Then we will be able to evaluate your work and we will be able to provide proper intervention so that you will be able to understand the lessons better. Diba? So please answer them as honestly as you could. You do not have to have perfect scores. Just answer them as honestly as you could. Next, regular discussions will be posted on YouTube and you are expected to watch all videos uploaded related to trends. Yes. Diba, please do watch the videos from beginning to end. Hindi yung watch ng konti and then skip a lot. Diba, because when you do that, you might miss important topics or parts of the discussion and when you do that, you will miss the entire point and then you will miss the entire lesson and hindi nyo na maiintindihan or you will not be able to catch up with what's going on. So please do watch the videos from beginning to end no matter how boring you think it is. Okay? Next, if you encounter any difficulty in answering the task in this module or in your module, do not hesitate to consult your teacher or me. And always bear in mind that you are not alone in this journey. Yes, please. If ever there are certain topics that you find difficulty in understanding or comprehending, please do not hesitate to call me, to text me. You can either reach me out by my personal cell phone number, or you may be able to contact me via group messages or DM me in Messenger. Just please not during midnight, 12 midnight, because I'm past. I'm already asleep during that time. So please do contact me during daytime, and then I will answer your questions as fast as I could. So since virtual meetings will be done for a few times only, make sure to comment down your complete name and your section on each video that you have watched to serve as your attendance. Example again, Janelyn Mercado, grade 12, BPH Mar. You may add pertinent comments if you wish to clarify or ask something. I will upload another video to answer selected important questions and clarifications. So yes, in commenting down, you are also allowed to ask questions if there are any concerns or if there are certain points in the uploaded video that you find difficulty in understanding or you wanted to be um, discuss further, you can comment that down or you can mention that in your comments and then we will try to answer those in our next video. Note that there shall be no account duplication when you comment for your attendance. One account equals one person. So once an account duplicates a comment for two or more names within, it will not be recognized and not recorded. So again, one account equals one person, okay? So we hope that through this material you will experience meaningful learning and gain deep understanding of the relevant competencies that you are expected to learn from this lesson. So guys, please do remember that you can always reach us out any time of the day, just not 12 midnight. And do not hesitate to call us if you are in need of an assistance, okay? So I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in our next video. And don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified if there are any new uploads on this channel. Okay? So you can do it. Aja fighting. Bye everyone.